Hello friend, today I want to ask one question from you people. What is most important in speaking English? Is it grammar? No, it is not that important. Then what? If not grammar, then what? It is vocabulary. What? It's the vocabulary. My friend, if you have a lot of vocabulary, you can speak this language fluently and effortlessly. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. So the question here is, if vocabulary is that much important, then how we can improve it? How we can learn it? Because what happened when people they try to learn vocabulary, when they try to mug up, after some days they forget. When it comes to using them in real life or while having conversation with someone, we end up forgetting them. So how we can remember them? How we can retain those vocabulary in our mind? My friend, I have been practicing English for a long time, and so far I have noticed it's very difficult to remember vocabulary, because if we know vocabulary, we can speak this language fluently. This is the key, to speak any language fluently. So what happened, my friend, when we try to learn, we keep forgetting, because it's a human tendency, right? But even we can do something. There are some process. If we apply, we can remember a lot of vocabulary. What I do, you might be getting a lot of questions related to me also, that what Anita does, right? So let me tell you what I do when I watch video or listen or read. So if I feel that some words are unfamiliar to me, then I try to write them down. And what I do, I make 2-3 sentences, then and there I try to make 2-3 sentences, and I do mirror practice, and I try to use with my friends, and that's how I have been learning vocabulary. On top of that, I try to make a story also. These all are the things that I have been doing in my entire journey. I don't do any extra thing. I don't do a lot of hard work. You might be thinking it's so simple. It seems or it looks like it's very simple. But when we try to do it, so we do it for a few days. After some day, we forget that we have to write it down. We forget that we have to make sentences. But no, my friend, we need to be responsible. If you become responsible, if you are writing it down, if you are using them, sometime what we should do, we should use them deliberately. Let the other people think that you are trying to be over smart or what, but use, because you are in the process of learning new vocabulary, right? After learning a lot of vocabulary, don't try to do this kind of things, because it might be difficult for others to understand your English. But for your satisfaction or for improving your English, you need to do this kind of process. My friend, I told you that I write them down. I try to make sentences, first thing. Second thing, see, I forgot. I try to know the meaning in Hindi. If I know English to English meaning, I may forget. So first thing I do, I try to know that meaning in Hindi. Then second thing, I try to make the sentences. And if even I feel that I can forget, then I try to make a story. These all are the things that I do for learning vocabulary, and I've been doing for a long time. So if you also want to improve, do these kind of things. It's very simple, right? But you need to be consistent. You need to do every single day. And you don't have to write down a lot of vocabulary. No, because don't give a lot of burden to your mind. Just write 3-4 vocabulary in a day, and you will see that you will start improving. You will start speaking this language naturally. Don't try to learn difficult vocabulary, because you may find it very challenging. Try to learn simple one and make simple sentences, and you will see that your English will improve. But if you think that it's very difficult and you are going to stop learning, then my friend, you won't be able to speak this language fluently, because I have noticed it's very important to know vocabulary. If you don't know grammar, sometimes it's okay. If you don't know some other things in English, it's okay, but you need to know vocabulary. I may have given a lot of example also in my previous videos. Let's suppose you have to explain the thing which you are watching. Look at behind me, a lot of things are there, right? So if you want to explain these things, you need a lot of vocabulary. You don't need difficult one, just use simple one and explain. What you can see behind me, a lot of trees, a lot of plants, and some plants they are lying down on ground. These plants are pumpkin plants. Okay, so many things are there. You need to know vocabulary, then you can explain things. And if you want to explain things perfectly, then you need grammar also. But as a beginner, you no need to be perfect. You can get perfection on the way. You can learn it little later. But what you need to explain things in simple way. It can be possible if you know a lot of vocabulary plus little bit grammar also. If you feel grammar is difficult, watch a lot of videos on YouTube. Now it's time to tell all the things in nutshell. My friend, if you want to speak this language fluently, then you need to have a lot of vocabulary. And how you can learn them? If you watch, listen, read, try to note them down, try to make some sentences. If it's possible, try to make some fake story. My friend, don't run behind perfection. Do whatever you can do, and gradually perfection will follow you. Okay, so these all are the things. Finally, I would say learning grammar is also important, because I have noticed if you don't know grammar, you will speak English, but that English will be broken English. You won't be able to tell any sentence with perfection. But yeah, initially we don't need perfection. It will follow us, but we need to do some process. The process are, first thing, reading, listening, learning grammar, using them, writing them down, right? It's very little effort, and we have to put every single day. We have to do this kind of work every single day if we want to speak this language fluently. My friend, this is evening time. I need to wrap up my video as soon as possible because it's getting dark. As you can see, it's a little bit foggy. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you like my video. If you, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.